super easy crock pot meal, and also it was my favorite comfort food growing up. Like for my birthday, I'd ask for this. Anytime I was sick, like anytime my mom was like, what do you want for supper? I'd be like, this. So let's get into it. All right, in my crock pot, I did like a pound of chicken breasts. I always call them chicken titties. It's 3 chicken breasts, but these chicken breasts are like huge. So just do like a pound of whatever chicken you want. All right, in this little bowl, I have 2 cups of water. And then you're going to add some Lipton onion soup mix. And you're just going to mix that in there. All right, and then I'm gonna add 2 cans of cream of chicken. This is the Great Value cream of chicken that is gluten-free. Also, if you're gluten-free and you didn't know, Great Value has like gluten-free cream of chicken, and it's so good. All right, and we're just going to mix this all together until there's no like super large clumps of soup. This doesn't look great, but trust the process. All right, we're gonna add like a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. I guess that's probably a 1/2 cup. Just stir that in there. And then I just like to add quite a large amount of pepper. I love pepper. We use the Pampered Chef pepper, and they don't make it anymore, which is a damn shame because I don't know what they put in it, but it is legit the best pepper on the planet. Like, it's so good. And no other pepper compares that I've found yet, which is very sad. And then you already know I'm gonna add some of the Kinder's The Blend, just a little bit. Okay. All right, once we have that all mixed up, we're just going to dump this delicious looking concoction right on top of our chicken. I have these little spatulas. I'm just going to get all of the goodness out. All right, this is what it looks like right now. All right, we're gonna put our lid on and we're going to cook on low for 6 hours. You can do high for 4 hours as well. We're gonna just let her cook. All right, the 6 hours has been up and the chicken is done. So I'm gonna show you what this looks like. Yes, the chicken. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and it is like runny. Now you can add a cornstarch slurry to it, which is just cornstarch and water, like whisk it with a fork and then dump it in there to thicken it up. I personally like to shut the heat off and let it sit for about 20 minutes. I don't like to add the slurry to it very often because it gets thick the next day, and I don't want it to be like thick tonight and then like not edible tomorrow. So I usually just leave it runny, and then tomorrow it'll be perfect for leftovers. So that's what I do. You can shred your chicken if you want. I just cut it into a little piece and put it in a bowl. So let me plate it up and show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like plated up. And I just used the little sauce as a gravy. So yummy. Toddler approved.